People struggle long live. People struggle long live. People struggle long live. People struggle long live. Karbi Anglong long live. Karbi ke pahay ng mat. Karbi ke pahay ng mat. Karbi ke pahay ng mat. Parang Eviction ke meeting ni tum Sarthe. 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Amarsing Tisso Karbi Anglong. Amarsing Tisso Karbi Anglong. Siam Trilong Rohel chongthuidet. Siam Trilong Rohel chongthuidet. Siam Rohel chongthuidet. Siam Trilong Rohel chongthuidet. Siam Trilong Rohel Karbi Anglong. Siam Trilong Rohel Karbi Anglong. Siam Trilong Rohel Karbi Anglong.
làm máy trên đất máy bên nào lấy
আমি তাতে যে আমি ভাবো যে যিটোৱে আমাৰ ইএম অমৰসিং টিছো যিটো সিএম ডাইৰেকশ্যনত যিটো প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলে যে মাৰ্চ 7 তাৰিখত ইভিকশ্যন কৰিব বুলি যিটো কৈছে এইটো এটা বিট্ৰে কৰিছে ৰাইজক 30 বছৰমান যুঁজিলে এই মাটিৰ পাবৰ কাৰণে এই কাউন্সিল লেভেলত বহুতবাৰে হিয়াৰিং হ'ল আৰু লগতে হামৰেন কোৰ্টতো হিয়াৰিং হ'ল সেই লোকেল লেভেলত যিমানে ইনষ্টিটিউট আছে সবতে সাৰ্থে ফাংচয়ে জয়যুক্ত হৈছে কেছটো জিতিছে তাৰপিছতে এই ভাগতে উচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ত হাইকোৰ্টত কেছ দাখিল কৰিছে এই কেছটোতো এটা হাইকোৰ্টে ডাইৰেকশ্যন দিছে নিৰ্দেশ দিছে যে কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টত এই মাটিৰ বিষয়টো কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিল বা কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বায়ত্ত সাহিত্য পৰিষদে এইটো ডিচিশ্যন ল'ব বুলি ডাইৰেক্টলি কৈছে তো আজিলৈকে কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলে আজিলৈকে ডিচিশ্যন লোৱা নাই বা ইভিকশ্যন লোৱাৰ আজিলৈকে সিদ্ধান্ত লোৱা নাই কাৰণটো কি আৰু আমাক ৰাজ্যৰ আগত কিয় প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলে আমাৰ ইএম অমৰসিং টিছো সিএম ডাইৰেকশ্যনত সেইকাৰণে আজি আমি ইয়াত আমি প্ৰতিবাদ কৰিছোঁ আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰিছোঁ আৰু আমি কণ্ডেম কৰিছোঁ ইএম অমৰসিং টিছোৱে মিছা কথা কৈছে ৰাইজক আমি বিট্ৰে কৰিছে তো আজি আমি সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ যেতিয়ালৈকে ফাংচৰ ডাঙৰীয়া মাটিৰ পৰা যেতিয়ালৈকে ইভিকশ্যন নহয় আমি ইয়াতে আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি থাকিম আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে পিজিআৰ বিজিআৰ মাটিৰ পৰা ইভিকশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে ট্ৰান্সপেৰেণ্টলি ৰাজ্যক জনাব লাগিব যে এতিয়া কোনটো পদক্ষেপ এটা লৈ আছে কি কৰি আছে সেইটো ট্ৰান্সপেৰেণ্টলি ৰাজ্যক জনাব লাগিব নহ'লে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি নথো আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি থাকিম সেইটোৱে la bangke itum Karbi Anglong radeta iltum ke chini adlo ke dam tangarni ilitum dak phelangpi keroni along ilitum Karbi itum phan thengang agdet la so thengang agdet pena bangke itum party dhormo kidu keplang cepatin tipin pensi dak phelangpi la towar pilong itum kadukobe ingni thipsi chesong lo hala bangso ka chesong arni radeta thek pronglo Amarsing Tisso ke hai la pen dosing long hang ke hai alang litum CM tuliram long hang alam toy pensi haladak rara theng no banglo la pen haladak rara theng no amasi Amarsing Tisso ke hai ta jailo ing koyar ni ke ilitum chingwaya nang la pen non there po cheklo mars throxier ni atumi lo la bangsor ni ke Sarthe Phangcho alongle long pen hala poromanand bhagot la pen chohana tum dak long le ka charai thi pa bangke lake dak pen tharle po mate eviction claim po pusi hala dak si chak te kanglo tangte atumian ke eviction da ave thang da ave te kupia phan si rara phan ka chobai nang ponte rara phan kupi lo lang plot kente lake lupik itung ke munit kali marat mari nga pisa sai se man itung ke ante lake man peng ave man itung ke hadak ke hadak rara phan ke than ki mumpon ke japon ke itung ka do belo ante hala ni tum rara phan ke than alam chake kupilon de lake to cm tuliram rong hanga tum non nang barsi rara phan che thanang ponon pipon lo eviction kem kita kente la pen eviction jong si claim un e pultang de kupilo rar phan jong thuinang po chobai nang po kente claim un e damun e claim thek thelo pultang de hala soni si chethan dak nei le thek the pultang de la pen thek the pulte ar pulong ni ri ni le puji bu bangke ni le ta so ar pulong ni ne jong si thek the pultang de akapre cho claim moi business cho claim moi sai ti ki noi akapre claim noi seta la so counselang hoyong jong si ni pultang de rara phana ke mang la pen alam chak bang chi ba pleng thek nei la si pini tu ve jo ni tum birta long lo phangcho hem long bang ke Amarsing Tisso ke hai ko mane phan dak toy si ka pamang hudam met cho ka bang kali der nei pini theng mi theng nei lam cha teng lo march proxy ni eviction claim ji pulo inghong lo claim credit lo che song phedang ponon la si pini nang bar noi pini dak itom party ji pu pe pin pen asong ji pu pe pin pen
Do it inside.
okay we'll do it
You do it inside. You do it somewhere, but don't block the road. This is undemocratic. Okay, please tell them. We'll provide now. We provide a space. Now, block it. Okay.
Karbi Anglong angkang pialong untuk sekolah dan memang ada tong ami apa kita bangso ami apa kita adopsi kita tentang tentang sebelum dikai inquire ami ladak Karbi Anglong kemas konsep panjang multi policy ladak dokumen kita ketua tim saya potong political organization Ano, kasi para ko na election may kukutin ka ng sumasunod. Alang nila, kasi po natin kasi. Alam ko, ang niya bakit?
No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! Sarthe Phangcho along the red parliament!
We are doing it democratically. We are not giving any to the public. This is no. We know it. You know it. We know it. Under 144, but you also know it's what we have discussed there. Under 144, the designated place. The designated place is something in the park. No, you know it. Right? If we go to the room, there are so many debates, sir, but I don't want to debate, sir. Here's 144. Given the order, we have complied. We are sitting on the left side. There is 144. We know it. There is 144. What is 144? We know it, sir. But then you cannot know. There cannot be a gathering of more than 5%. We know it, sir. But then you also know it. What we have discussed there. What we have discussed on the 20th. I'll not say anything illegal. That is whatever eviction is, that is the consent. Yes. My concern is that you should not break the law. When DC is given 144, 3 or 5, the gathering cannot be more than 5. Yes. If you are 4%, you are protesting here, I have no objection. But if the gathering is more than 5, see what the law says, I cannot allow it.
but sir we are forced because
by force, you should not break the law of the country.
we are not breaking, sir. Sir, we are on the
You are breaking 144.
we are on the limit, sir. We are on the limit.
You are breaking 144.
Sir, we are on the limit. We have to protest against the council because they have broken their promises, sir.
There is no harm in the protest, but you do it democratically.
We are doing democratically, sir. We are just an assembly, sir. We are not using any unparliamentary votes to anyone.
No.
So we are doing it democratically, sir.
But the gathering has itself become undemocratic now.
Sir,
Under 144.
if there is no gathering, sir, there is no protest, sir.
There is a way. We should have applied for permission now.
We will apply it, sir. But then
You do it.
you apply it, sir. We will do it, sir.
You apply it that we want to protest against the eviction of him. we will then see the same. We'll locate your place and do it. There is no harm.
We are not going to use any unparliamentary vote, but we'll be sitting here peacefully. I give you my word, sir. We'll be doing it here peacefully. But nobody will be harmed.
This is not a designated place, right, Anglong? This is not a designated
Sir,
place.
you know it,
If you do it in a, it will be under our protection. You do it in a designated place now. There's a designated Samsung Park is there. There's a designated place for your protest. You sit there. I have no objection.
Sir, for the
But
time
it has
being,
to be in the designated place.
for the time being, let us agree that let the elected representative come here and then let him.
I can send that message to the independent only if you do it in the designated place.
So let him come, sir.
How can he come to a place which is only speak lawfully? If I say anything unlawful, you can counter me.
Yeah, I'm not countering with
Yeah,
you.
yes.
I'm just discussing with you.
There is, because of these elections, there is 144. You understand it? Under 144, any protest, any rally by anybody, even the political party asks for permissions.
Yes, we know
And if you ask to protest, I have no objection, but it has to be allowed in the designated protest place.
That is why.
Like in Delhi, it's there in Jantar Mantar. You know it.
Yeah.
For Karbi Anglong, the designated place is Samsung Park, or it can be under your office premises. Other than that, yes.
No properties have been destroyed. Everything was organized peacefully. You know that.
I know. I have full faith in it. Then do it democratically, na? Do it democratically as per law.
I think this is the only way to give.
But understand my condition as a government servant, na? I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na? You talk about yourself. I'll speak with my seniors. See what can be done. But take us. Even APHLC protested. We have nothing to say. Okay. Just discuss among yourself.
ไม่